If you have pets at home, you're gonna wanna pay extra close attention to this video. In today's video, we're gonna talk about what plants are safe and what plants are toxic for your pets at home. Hi guys, my name is Alexis and I post floral design tutorials here on my YouTube channel daily. Now I myself have a dog and a cat at home, and I also have a ton of flowers and plants all over my house. So this information is extremely important to know. One thing I really want you to remember is that your pet has to eat a lot of this plant for them to be sick. So don't go rushing your pet to the vet, guys, because chances are they're fine. Just know they have to eat like the whole plant for them to really be sick. Now, according to the Pet Poison Hotline, here are a list of the most toxic plants and flowers that you want to not have in your home if you have pets. We have autumn crocus, azaleas, cyclamens, kalanchoes, lilies, oleander, this one's a mouthful, Dieffenbachia, daffodils, lily of the valley, tulips, hyacinth, and sago palm. Now, if you own any of those plants or flowers that I just listed, you're just going to want to make sure that they are out of reach from your pets. Now, I myself actually have palm plants all over my house, and I have them up high so that way my dog and my cat can't get them, and I find that they do just fine. My dog doesn't really eat any of my plants, and neither does my cat. You really just have to know your pet. So that is the list of plants and flowers that were on the pet hotline. So now I'm going to read you a separate list of just flowers specifically that you should be staying away from if you are the type of person that likes to have flowers in their home. You know, you really want to make sure you listen up. So the most common flower that you typically see in bouquets, mums, and daisies, they are actually toxic to your pets. So those flowers can look very similar depending on the type and variety that they are. So if you have any questions at all, make sure to just ask your florist. Gladiolas, a very common funeral flower, those are very toxic to your pet. So for Valentine's Day, you're always seeing roses and baby's breath. Baby's breath is toxic to your animals. Some people love them, some people hate them. I love them, but carnations are going to be a no-no if you have any pets. Chamomile. If you have a chamomile plant, you're going to want to make sure that's away from your pet. So during the holiday months of like November and December, you're going to see a lot of amaryllises coming back. So you're going to want to make sure to not grab those because those are toxic. Now, for all of my people out there who like to plant in their garden during the spring, you're going to want to make sure to not plant any tulips or hyacinth plants. Any bulb plant, those are very toxic to your animals. And last but not least, the most dangerous of them all are going to have to be lilies. Lilies of any type or variety are very toxic to your animals, specifically to your cats. With this information, when you go to order flowers for a friend or for even yourself, when you're going to buy stuff, you want to make sure that you don't get any of these toxic plants or flowers. So that way, when you are making these things, you know you don't have the potential risk of hurting your clients' animals, even hurting your own animals. So these are things to think about as a florist, as a person with animals. You know, you really just want to be overall more conscious. So now for my plant lovers out there, you're going to want to stay away from these specific plants for your animals. Now here's a little bonus one. For all of my essential oil lovers out there, this one hurt me to the core, but you're gonna want to take out lavender and eucalyptus. And I know it hurts, but you gotta do it for them. You gotta do it for the pets because it's very toxic to them. So myself, before I learned this information, I actually always had lavender and eucalyptus running in my diffuser. So, all right guys, so I've just been hitting you with a bunch of bad news, been telling you a bunch of things that you don't wanna hear, but now I'm gonna tell you some things that you do wanna hear. Now I'm going to list the non-toxic plants and flowers for your pets at home. So the most common flower, roses, they are not toxic for your pets. Sunflowers are not toxic to your pets. Gerber daisies, petunias are non-toxic. Orchids are also non-toxic. My personal favorite are zinnias. Zinnia flowers are not toxic. And last but not least, African violets. African violets come in a bunch of different colors other than violet, and they are non-toxic to your pets. It may be confusing to differentiate between non-toxic versus toxic plants and flowers when you're sending things to someone or just buying them for yourself. So if you ever have any questions, make sure to check out the ASPC website and they will list all the non-toxic plants and flowers. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like. By doing this, you help boost this video to other people who may need it for help. If you enjoy these types of videos, I post florist content here on my channel daily. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.